Olives are crushed into paste, then processed to extract pure, golden olive oil. The oil is bottled, packaged, and delivered, ready to reach homes around the world.
Olives are carefully harvested from fertile farms and prepared for industrial processing.
The harvested olives are transported from farms to modern processing factories. Upon arrival, the olives enter the first stage of the oil production process. At the factory, olives are unloaded in bulk, preparing them for the next stage of processing.
The data flow is steady across all parameters.
Good. Maintain the current output levels.
Before processing, olives are carefully weighed to ensure accurate production control.
Thousands of olives move through automated sorting systems. Olives are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and impurities. Every olive is cleaned carefully using advanced washing systems. Moisture is removed to prepare olives for the next stage. Automated drying ensures efficiency and consistency in processing. Olives are crushed to release their natural oils and form a rich paste. Powerful blades break down the olives into a smooth, dense mixture. Under pressure, olives release their juices, blending into a rich pulp. As the olives break down, oil begins to emerge from the paste. Automated systems handle large-scale grinding with precision and speed.
From whole olives to rich paste, the transformation is seamless.
Rotating grinders pulverize the olives into a uniform paste. Inside the machine, powerful blades break olives down rapidly. The paste is gently mixed to help oil droplets combine together.
The crushed olive paste is transferred for further processing.
The processed paste is then moved into advanced separation systems. Centrifugal force separates the pure oil from the remaining pulp. Finally, pure olive oil is extracted, ready for the next stage.
Detailed analysis ensures purity, consistency, and high standards.
Precision nozzles ensure each bottle is filled accurately with the perfect amount of oil. The automated bottling line maintains consistency and efficiency throughout the process.
Each bottle is filled in perfect sequence, ensuring uniform quality at every step.
Labels are carefully wrapped around each bottle with precision and care.
Once filled, bottles move to the labeling section, where branding is applied.
The labeling process ensures every product is ready for market presentation.
Filled bottles are sealed with protective wrapping to maintain hygiene and safety.
Heat sealing ensures the wrapping is tight and secure around every bottle. Shrink wrapping technology provides a strong and protective outer layer. Automated systems carefully place wrapped bottles into packaging boxes.
Keep an eye on the pressure seal on line 3. Looks good from here, we're running smoothly.
Finally, the boxes are sealed and prepared for storage and distribution.
Each box is arranged carefully to ensure safe and secure transportation.
Forklifts efficiently transfer pallets into the delivery truck with precision.
Fully loaded, the truck departs to deliver high-quality olive oil to markets.
At the store, shipments are carefully unloaded and prepared for display.
What do you think about this artisanal one?
That looks perfect. Let's take it.
Did you find everything all right today?
Yes, I did. Thank you.
Olive oil enhances flavor and brings health benefits to every meal.
To health, to family, to the taste of pure gold.
I absolutely love this olive oil. The flavor is so rich and it really elevates my cooking. I highly recommend it to everyone.